What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we've got the Massive Tech Unboxing 10. So we've got a ton of products. I actually posted a picture on Instagram to see if you guys were ready for it, and you said no, you wanted even more products here, so we got a bit more than what you guys saw in the last picture. But before we start today's video, I gotta give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Vikings War of Clans. If you're looking for a new game to download, this is a great option. It's got that RPG style to it, which I personally love. You can build up an empire, you can go ahead and war with other clans. It's got a lot of cool, fun stuff to do, and it's got some really great graphics for being on a smartphone. So if you want to support the channel, definitely check the link down below to download Vikings. It's free, you get 200 gold when you sign up, as well as an initial protection shield. So go ahead, check out the game, and let me know how you like it. But it's finally time to get into these boxes. As you can see, we've got quite a few of them. So go get your food, your snacks, all that good stuff, because we might be here a while. Ari, you know what to do. Let's get it going.
I want to go for that unmarked box.
This one?
Very mysterious.
It's not unmarked, it's upside down. But I will go with, oh, this is from my boy over on Instagram, Doyle's Customs. Oh, I'm actually really excited. All right, here we go. Let's see this. Whoo.
What is it?
This looks nuts. So for those of you who aren't familiar, Doyle's Customs is the dude that makes some custom plates for the Nintendo Switch, as well as a ton of other game controllers and whatnot. But he made this custom one to kind of go with the N64 look. This is the ice blue version. So right now I can't put this on my Switch, but this is the back plate. So I can just switch out the plate of my Switch to this one. Oh, there's another one here too. This is from Mario. This is like a Mario themed one. This is actually really cool. So yeah, this looks dope.
That looks good enough for me.
Ari trying to get her claim in already. But this is the Joy-Cons now. Oh, this looks good. Yo, check out the colors though. So you've got little teal buttons up top. You got the blue and green, the red home button. Yeah, oh, this looks awesome. This looks great, man. Kudos to you, bro, because you killed it. I can't wait to switch these out. But definitely check him out. All the links down below, as well as the links to everything that you'll see here in this video, will be down below as well. Oh, I think this was sent to me. This is from Yi. So we've got a light action camera as well as a dash camera. I actually featured their dash camera in a recent video. Was it Tech Under 100, I think?
Yeah, it's a great camera.
Yeah, so I guess we've got another one, and they've got an action camera here too. Okay, so this thing is tiny. So it's like a little GoPro. Here it is. Okay, so this is a 4K action camera. It does 4K 30 FPS. It can even do 240 FPS, which is cool. Use a micro SD card, yada yada. Okay, so it's an action cam. We've seen these before. So I'm gonna actually see if I can make any use of this and see if it's pretty good. So shout out to Yi for sending these out. And I think I'll just do a giveaway of this since I've already got my hands on one of these. So be sure to check out Instagram if you guys want to get your hands on one of these. Look out for that post. And moving on, let's see, we've got this big one over here. Wait a minute, is this from YouTube? So it is from YouTube.
Oh my God!
This is me.
That is awesome!
Okay, okay. All right, YouTube, with the surprises. Oh snap, this is from the holidays. So this was pretty much a gift from YouTube where they surprised me with this framed picture of myself and a bunch of your comments. So sweet thumbnail, one of the best YouTubes ever. I should be studying for my finals, but instead I'm sitting here watching your videos. Nah, but this is great. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to all of you guys for making something like this even possible. I gotta find a spot for this. Is it narcissistic to have like my own face though up there somewhere? Okay, I'm just gonna straight up cheat right now. So this right here, I didn't know I was getting this, but I can read Dragon Ball Fighters kit. You guys know I love Dragon Ball Z, so I'm hyped. Woo-hoo! Seeing that Goku already. And this is actually from my homies over at Xbox, so you guys know I love you. Break the seal. Whoo, okay. So we got an Xbox One controller. Oh, it even comes with a stand? Hold up, this one is a rechargeable stand. So I can throw this on there and charge up my controller, which is awesome. So this is I guess this is the battery pack that you need to do that. We got a Dragon Ball FighterZ shirt. Oh, we got hit. So I don't know if you guys watched the anime Dragon Ball Super, but he's one of the new characters that's actually really strong. We have a collectible pin here. So we got the Dragon Ball FighterZ, and we got a Goku Super Saiyan Blue keychain. We've got the Day 1 edition for Dragon Ball FighterZ.
Nice.
So this is gonna go in my Xbox immediately. So is this like a model kit? You know I love me some model kits. All right, so this is cool. This is very cool. Oh man, Xbox, you guys.
They made that just for you.
Listen, somebody said Judd loves model kits, so everybody's getting one. Okay, so this pretty much tells me all the contents of this package, and it includes a code for a year of Xbox Live. Bam! That's somebody's. Enjoy it. I am super stoked to play this game. I saw this at E3 and went nuts. I'm definitely opening this upside down. Oh, okay. I know what this is. So this right here is a camera backpack from Peak Design.
I remember that one.
Yeah.
Is this from John from CES?
John, yes. John had this while we were at CES. He showed me how cool it was and instantly made me go out and buy one. Listen, John makes me spend too much money. He makes me jealous all the time. So I had to get this backpack. You guys know I love backpacks. And this is a way better camera backpack than the one that I currently use. It's got a slimmer profile, looks really good. So I'm excited. But yeah, Peak Design backpack. If you're a photographer, videographer, you want to carry your gear around in a nice looking backpack, this looks really good. It's a USB-C Clamp Hub Pro. Okay, so here it is. So I'm not really sure how it works, but it's supposed to clamp. Oh, okay. I guess these little knobs move forward on the bottom of the iMac to give it a secure fit. And you get access to a USB-C port, a micro SD card slot, and 3 USB 3 ports. So this is actually pretty cool. Got a short little cable to go right to it. I like this. I wish it were the color of the iMac Pro. Hopefully they come out with a version, I'm sure they will. But this is nice to have some options up front. I'm throwing this online for sure. Oh, I know what this is. So this is some solid packaging right here. Pop all those suckers so I can actually get it out. Okay, so this is the V. This is a crowd-developed computer. And this is supposed to be like a 2-in-1, so it's got like a laptop and a regular laptop feel to it. This is a little on the thicker side, but that's because it's supposed to be a really beefy battery inside of here, which I can deal with for sure. I'll take a little thickness for some extra battery power any day. So you get the V, you get the stylus, as well as a USB-C cable and a wall adapter. So you also get your keyboard, and you can just go like this. It's magnetic.
Wait, that reminds me so much
of the Surface.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's a lot like the Surface, but it's a different take on it. So if you guys are interested in learning more, maybe a full video on this, let me know with a comment down below. I want to know what your interest is like. So over here, let's see, what's this? So this is an interesting mouse. I've been seeing these kind of designs quite a bit more where the mouse is like slanted. I guess it's supposed to be for comfort. And it's got 3 different clickers here, as well as a bunch of clickers on the side. Oh, and this thing moves as well. Oh, it can completely move, and for the sake of comfort, I guess. Oh, and it can go even wider, so you can have a steeper angle. I want to actually mess around with this and see if this could be way more comfortable than these typical mice that I'm used to using. This is from our buddies over at Nomads. So here we've got a wireless hub. So if you got a wireless charging phone, this could be a solution. Okay, oh, this thing is solid. So you've got your wireless charger, but this is a pretty big wireless charger, but what's nice is that right under it, you've got 3 USB ports as well as a USB Type-C port. So this is really cool. So this is a USB-C, but it's supposed to be a fast charge USB-C port. So this is by Nomad. It's actually not bad looking. So this is a wall adapter from a company called Travel. It's a 2-in-1. It has the plug so that you can plug it into your car, or you can just plug it into a regular wall outlet. It's got 2 USB ports. It doesn't feel very high quality, but I guess it depends on the price and how much they're charging for it. But I'll let you guys know if it's good. You'll see it in another video. All right, so we're on to the next box. Thank you for supporting us in the past 6 years. Has it been that long, Anchor? Dang. Okay, this is bad. This is the second Happy Holidays card that I got in one of these boxes. I need to stop hoarding these boxes for these videos. I'm missing out on crucial timing. All right, so we've got another dash cam and it's got a Sony lens in it. And we also have a oh, this is the same thing I showed last time. It's the 5-port USB-C power delivery hub, okay? And over here, totally wireless earbuds. So I didn't know Anchor was even working on this. It says Zolo though. Oh, Zolos, I guess they're off their side brand. These actually remind me of the Samsung Gear X. Oh, they're a little on the thick side though. Okay, the fit is decent. How big? Do they look big, Ari?
Yeah, they do.
They do? But of course, gotta try them out, see how they sound. So shout out to Anchor. Thank you for sending these to me for Christmas and over the holidays. Sorry, I'm opening them a month later. Oh, nice. This is the Nintendo Switch case that I ordered. This is it, guys. I don't know how to exactly say it and I don't want to butcher it, but I'm gonna go with Labor. Sounds very wrong. But this is a Nintendo Switch case that has a portable charger built right into it.
Oh, that's cool.
Right? This is awesome. So
that's perfect for you.
yeah, exactly. So you can actually just charge it right here. It's got the juice. Now this is a bit of a bigger case. It's more bulky, but if it can give some juice to my Switch, that's awesome. So I'm actually going to be working on a video about some more Nintendo Switch accessories. So be on the lookout for that. See what we have here. Oh, okay. So these are little thumb pads for the Nintendo Switch. So you know they have those little circles instead of an actual D-pad. Well, with this, I guess you can just throw it on top of that and it'll give you the feel of a normal D-pad. Okay, and this is by AdPad. Yeah, AdPad. Oh, nice. I was actually waiting on this. This is called the Valet Charger. Now this has a built-in iPhone.
Oh, for the Apple Watch.
Yes, this has a built-in Apple Watch charger. So it's a portable charger and it has the built-in Apple Watch charger. It's a 6700 milliamp hour battery. So this can charge your iPhone and all that other good stuff at least once. This I feel like is so necessary because I hate bringing around the Apple Watch cable because I usually like to leave that by my bed. So this is clutch. I love this. Oh, okay. So this is what is it called? The NoMouse by Razer. So this is their new stereo system set. So it has stereo speakers, LED lights, all this good stuff. Oh, I saw this at CES. I'm excited. I'll show you guys some of the B-roll that I got from CES, just so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. But I don't want to open it all up because, you know, speakers have a bunch of cables and wires. I don't want to deal with all that right now, but this is cool. So they've got this, and they also got a Pro version, which has tweeters on top of it, as well as some other cool features and a subwoofer and all that good stuff. These only go for $100 bucks. I think $99 is what they're coming in at.
The LEDs have the plates, right?
Yeah, they've got LEDs right here at the bottoms. It wouldn't be Razer without some RGB lights going on it. I want to see if I could include this in the setup. That would be really cool. What the heck? Okay, what is this? Oh, all right. So what this basically is, so you've got these little, I'm not even sure what you call these, but you've got these little string things here that can go around cables. So your iPhone cable, the lightning cable, or any other kind of cable that you may have, your headphones, and this is supposed to basically protect them. Interesting, they've got all kinds of cool colors. I didn't know what to expect at first. I didn't know what this was. But this is actually a really cool concept. All right, so we've got another package here that's like practically already open. And oh, dang, this thing's really beat up. Okay, so we have the XBand Base by SanDisk for the iPhone, all of them, all the iPhones. These allow you to charge your iPhone as well as back it up. It has a built-in SD card slot. So it comes with a 120 gig SD card. So you can plug this into your iPhone, and what it'll do is it'll charge it up. This will act as another storage unit and back up all your stuff. Okay, so this is a backpack from Razer. This is, I think, their Stealth backpack. They sent me the smaller version before, and I was trying to make that thing work, but it was just too small. You guys, come on, you know me. I carry a lot of stuff. So this is their bigger version, and I am a fan. This looks really good. Screams Razer, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so Ventive. Let's see what they've got here. Okay, came with a little card and everything. They wanted to send a few of their latest portable chargers and cables.
Well, they must know you.
That's what I'm all about, baby. So we've got a PowerCell 6010 Plus. Okay, cool. So this is a portable charger. It has a built-in lightning cable, which is nice. All right, so this feels like a very durable cable. It's supposed to be tangle-free. So this is a lightning cable that looks good. And we've got a nightstand, I guess, or a portable charger that will also works as a stand. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I'm liking the look of these. The quality so far looks awesome. The packaging looks good. Thanks. So our last product here is also from the P.O. Box. Yes, yes, finally. Google Home Max, awesome. Snap, look at that. Whew, this thing is no joke, man. So I'm excited to try this out. This is pretty much like the Google Home and the Google Home Mini, but this is the Max version, which is quite a bit larger, quite a bit louder, and it's supposed to have better sound quality, but everything that you could expect from the Google Assistant, you're gonna get inside of here. So huge shout out to Google for sending this out. Thank you. Huge shout out to all the companies who sent this stuff out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to see anything in particular that caught your eye in another video, let me know with a comment down below. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.